Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Aprilaire 700M is probably one of the most effective whole-house humidifiers on the market, designed to combat dry air and improve indoor comfort. This video will dive deep into its features, benefits, and overall performance, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your home. We'll explore its capacity, efficiency, and ease of maintenance, ensuring you have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Number 5. Aprilaire 35 Humidifier Filter Replacement, 4-pack. This is a genuine replacement water panel designed and manufactured by Aprilaire. It is the leader in indoor air quality solutions. This ensures optimal performance for your Aprilaire humidifier. The model number 35 water panel measures 10W x 13H x 1.75D. It's made of aluminum mesh with a porous, ceramic-type slip coating. This coating absorbs water to maintain proper hydration. For optimal performance, replace the water panel annually. This 4-pack provides a 4-year supply. It's convenient for contractors or homeowners with multiple humidifiers. Aprilaire humidifiers help maintain 40% to 60% humidity. This reduces respiratory infections and allergy symptoms. You'll also feel more comfortable and protect your home from damage. Installation is easy. Simply follow the illustrated instructions included with the water panel. It's a quick and straightforward process. This Aprilaire water panel is compatible with the Aprilaire Healthy Air app. The app provides reminders for replacement. It also offers educational content about maintaining humidity levels and information on outdoor air quality. What we like. This 4-pack of water panels ensures you have a reliable supply for years to come, offering convenience and peace of mind. The easy installation makes the replacement process a breeze. If you are a homeowner who wants to stock up on replacement filters or a contractor looking for a convenient solution, you should consider this. What people say. This filter was easy to install and fit perfectly without any hassle. Once in place, it noticeably improved the performance of the humidifier, keeping the air more comfortable during dry weather. Our humidity level is always in the correct range, which is very important, especially during winters where it can get very dry, but these filters definitely help maintain a consistent level of the proper humidity needed. These filters are an exact fit for my Aprilaire 600 model, and the installation process is straightforward, no tools required. Number 4. Aprilaire H735 Easy 1 Humidifier Filter Replacement Kit. This is a genuine Aprilaire replacement filter, designed and made in the USA. It's specifically made to fit your whole house humidifier models 700, 700A, and 700M. This all-in-one kit offers a fast and simple replacement. There's no mess and no cleanup, just a quick way to keep your Aprilaire whole house humidifier working like new. Replacing the water panel assembly helps maintain optimal humidity levels. This can lead to fewer respiratory infections and less bacteria and viruses. It also helps preserve household items. The water panel in this assembly measures 10 inches high, 13 inches long, and 1.75 inches wide. It's designed for Aprilaire whole house humidifier models 700, 700A, and 700M. The kit includes a fully assembled replacement kit with a 35 water panel, scale control insert, and water distribution tray. This Aprilaire water panel is compatible with the Aprilaire Healthy Air app. The app provides reminders for water panel replacement, educational content about humidity, and information on outdoor air quality. What we like. This kit provides a complete and hassle-free solution for replacing your humidifier's water panel assembly. With everything you need in one package, it simplifies maintenance and ensures optimal performance. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to maintain your humidifier and enjoy the benefits of healthy humidity, you should consider this. What people say. The humidifier is very easy to install. The automatic function works great. It is very easy to maintain. Number 3. Aprilaire 700 Whole House Humidifier. This humidifier is brought to you by Aprilaire, the inventor of whole home humidifiers. This product is designed and manufactured in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust this product to improve your home's air quality. This humidifier provides full coverage for homes up to 5,300 square feet. It has a large capacity, capable of humidifying your entire home efficiently. It ensures consistent humidity levels throughout your living space. The humidifier features automatic operation with dual sensors. These sensors monitor both indoor and outdoor conditions. It automatically adjusts to deliver optimal humidity, 24/7. The built-in fan pulls heated air directly from your furnace. This design enhances the humidification process. This feature ensures efficient and effective performance. Maintaining optimal humidity levels can significantly improve your health. It helps reduce respiratory infections and allergy symptoms. It also protects your home and belongings from damage. What we like. This humidifier offers full coverage for homes up to 5,300 square feet, ensuring optimal humidity throughout your entire living space. Its automatic operation and built-in fan make it a convenient and efficient solution. If you like a whole-house humidifier that can automatically adjust humidity levels and maintain a comfortable environment, you should consider this. What people say. The humidifier is very easy to install. The automatic function is great. It has kept the humidity at the perfect level. Number 2. Aprilaire 4040 Solenoid Valve for Whole House Humidifier. This is a genuine Aprilaire replacement part. It's designed to optimize the performance of your whole house humidifier. It includes all the necessary components for easy installation. This valve is designed for specific Aprilaire humidifier models. It ensures your humidifier operates at its best. Maintaining the right humidity levels in your home is now easier. The 4040 solenoid valve controls the water entering your humidifier. This ensures the correct amount of humidity is delivered. It's a key component for optimal performance. This solenoid valve is a core part of your Aprilaire humidifier. It helps maintain the proper humidity levels throughout your home. Without it, your system won't function correctly. This valve is compatible with various Aprilaire whole house humidifier models. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing system. Ensure your model is listed for compatibility. What we like. This solenoid valve is a crucial component for maintaining the proper humidity levels in your home. It ensures the right amount of water enters your humidifier. If you have an Aprilaire whole house humidifier and need to ensure it functions correctly, you should consider this. What people say. This humidifier solenoid is an Aprilaire brand, an exact replacement for the original in my Model 560 whole house humidifier unit. Mounting bracket was also exact match for original and the strainer was included with the solenoid. It was easy to install in about 20 minutes, and the humidifier is now as good as new. Number 1. HQRP 2-pack water filter for Aprilaire humidifiers. Introducing the HQRP 2-pack water filter, a perfect replacement for your Aprilaire humidifier. This filter ensures your humidifier runs efficiently, maintaining the right humidity levels throughout your home. This filter is compatible with Aprilaire models 700, 700A, 700M, 760, 760A, 768, 600, 600A, 600M, 300, 350, 360, 560, 560A, and 568. It's designed to fit perfectly and provide optimal performance. The filter features a heavy-duty aluminum mesh frame, ensuring it maintains its shape. The porous ceramic-type coating absorbs water, supporting the evaporation process effectively. This HQRP replacement pad keeps your bypass humidifier running efficiently. It helps to maintain proper humidity throughout your home, ensuring a comfortable living environment. For optimal performance, replace the panel every 6 months, or more frequently in hard water areas. This ensures the humidifier continues to function at its best. What we like. This water filter is a cost-effective alternative that is compatible with multiple Aprilaire humidifier models. The heavy-duty aluminum mesh frame ensures durability and efficient performance. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable replacement option, you should consider this. What people say. The humidifier is very easy to install. The automatic function is a great feature. It has kept the humidity at the perfect level. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.